Hi everyone, today I will present you wipes. They are multi-purpose and multimedia impregnated wipes. They allow cleaning, degreasing, polishing and protecting.
Well, life has nearly killed me and
They are impregnated with a cleaning solution with lubricants and waxing agents, allowing it to create a sliding film allowing both cleaning and protection. The microfiber that comes with the wipes kit will allow you to wipe the leftover product in order to obtain a very shiny finish. The kit contains 80 wipes and 1 microfiber. When you use a wipe, fold it in half and put it flat on your hand. Wipe the surface without pressing. When the surface becomes slippery, you may increase the pressure slightly. Always proceed in small areas without rubbing, making small circles. Wipes trap particles while cleaning and applying a film to the surface. Then polish with the microfiber provided, making a quick circular motion by wiping slightly without too much pressure. For your information, wipes contain waxes. Avoid using them on matte surfaces because you will grease the surface. I hope you liked our advice. Feel free to leave a comment, and if you want to know more, do not hesitate to subscribe to our channel just here.
I got to lay down here and